Alright, so based on the previous videos, and you gotta watch it of course, so we already know what embedding is, right? How embedding can represent any kind of human possible representations, visual, text, and also audio, right? So the question is, alright, now we can convert everything to mathematical form, but how? You know, how? Like, what is the connections? Like, how do we determine between a bench to, let's say, 5 in maths? Or like, how do we determine a 3 to a 6? So this is where AI comes to play. So you see, our brain is like neural network. It has a lot of connections. And you can imagine from our eyes, it's like a camera. You put a lot of neural networks, which is basically a lot of if and else, a lot of nodes, a lot of dots, a lot of maths, calculations, and then it all ends up in just like 700 kind of numbers, right? So all of this image that we are seeing can be converted to just 700 dimensional. Well, of course, the 700 as a number is just an example. You can even have like another number. So this is what we are doing with AI, basically. We are converting a big space of input, which is image or audio. Audio is pretty big, by the way. It's like kilobytes of data. Have you ever actually checked your phone? It's like big images and speeches. So that's something. You see, I see the people. I see a person's running. You see, when I know it's a person. That's what AI is doing. That's what our brain is doing. So we can train that also in our computer. Of course, this kind of training is something more technical, but that is how we convert an image or any kind of sensoric representations to an embedding. Always use these neural networks, okay? And the cool things that's happening in this year, 2023, is how we can use the same kind of neural network, the same AI, all right? Nothing changes, but for all kind of inputs, okay? And what it means is that this kind of AI can actually understand images, text, and also, well, right now I don't think there is any, but it can be in the future, which is audio, okay? So previously, we only have a kind of AI for image to embedding, a kind of AI that is text to embedding, but never ever before we have a kind of AI that understands image and text together to embedding. But now it is possible. So that is AI this year. In the future, we'll have something more. Stay tuned.